Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with a wig install from Luvme Hair, and today I'm showing you guys this beautiful full lace braided wig. Now the title of the wig is called Ownscalp, salon-like braids with the real scalp look, full HD lace knotless box braided wig with flexi fit Invisi drawstring cap. We'll get into what that means in just a second. Now, as far as the wig cap size, it is a medium, which is a 22.5. So it is a little bit on the bigger side. However, keep in mind that those drawstrings are there so that you can tighten the entire wig cap. It is 180% density, 26 inches. And please be advised that this wig is human hair mixed with synthetic. Okay, now price point, she is a little under $200, which is amazing, especially if you are planning on going on vacation or you don't want to deal with your hair this summer. Let's say you're just trying to look for the easiest protective style. This is a really good alternative versus having that tension on your hair if you actually go get your hair braided. Or, you know, price point as well. You guys know that box braids now, all those boho knotless braids, all that good stuff, it costs an arm and a leg now. So this is definitely a good alternative. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig on. Now immediately I definitely saw what they were meaning when it comes to that scalp. The scalp looks very, very natural, so I love that. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I actually use that Invisi drawstring. So it's like these two clear drawstrings that's on the side of your wig. You kind of see me pulling them out now. All I did was just pull them down, you guys, and I just tightened it as if you were to tighten any other drawstring. It works the exact same, and what this does is it tightens the entire wig cap. Now lace wise, does it get the lace super flat? No. Now when it comes to braided wigs, especially the one that I'm showing you guys today, unfortunately you will have to use some type of lace spray or glue in order to make that lace lay down. As a box braided wig though, I feel like you can't even be mad at that. You have to make sure that this looks like scalp. Okay, now this is what the lace is looking like without product just yet. I'm just holding it down. She's blending in beautifully. Color a little off, however she's looking good. Okay, we got a good base to work with. Now you guys know I am not a lace glue girly. I prefer lace spray, so I went ahead and I did that off camera, and this is what the lace is looking like now, you guys. The lace on this wig is very thin. It is 100% Swiss lace, so it is on a thinner side. The color may not be 100%, but that's okay. We're going to add some foundation. Now, here's what I'm going to recommend to you guys, because I did not like how my lace looked after I added my foundation. Because this is 100% Swiss lace, I definitely feel like if you go in with foundation powder rather than foundation cream, it'll look even better. I think that my foundation cream was just a little too thick for this lace. Therefore, on camera, it looks a little bit more blunt. In person, it looked okay, but on camera, I feel like it looked a little bit more blunt. And you guys are probably like, Sejayda, what are you talking about? Trust me. Just trust me. Go in with some foundation powder instead of some cream or liquid foundation for this specific lace, because she is on the thinner side, and I kind of feel like the way how she looked before I added the foundation looked even better. So that's just my opinion, but of course you guys already know I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the information listed in the description box down below. Key takeaways from this video, you guys, please remember that it is giving 100% scalp. It is 100% Swiss lace. The lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. She looks really good. Comment down below, let me know what you guys are thinking. Everything will be listed in my description box. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next time.